Hello guys, so today we got a new package. I am so excited to make this video with you guys. It's finally here. The moment you've been all waiting for this, guys. Kind of hard to actually open it. Oh yeah, I can see. Yeah. So yes, this is this is the filaments, and this is the this is the 3D printing pen. It's a 3D printing pen. Yeah, it's written upside down. This is the filaments, and this is what we removed. Just gonna keep that aside for now. We got this. And we got this. So now what I want to do is I want to open it. Oh yeah. Boom. Grab the pen. The pen, everybody. We got the pen, guys. We got this. This. And this. And we got this. And this as well. So yeah. Let's see how it looks like. Oh yeah. Can't wait to have some fun with this. Okay. I think we should insert something. Let's see if it's working. I'll come back to you on part 2. Let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.